Hey guys, okay, we're ready to go over part 2 of your chapter 12 review. I think it'll be a little bit shorter. So um, we're on this page. It looks like this, okay? And the first thing is a line plot where we put the x's above the number, and this represents how many days they ran that many miles. So the numbers on the bottom are miles, and the X's represent days. So it says, how many days did Ruby run 5.5 miles? So to do that, all you have to do is look over to the column 5.5 and count how many X's are there. So there are 5 X's, so that answer would be 5 days. 5 days is your unit. Then it says how many days are represented in the chart. Well, in order to figure that out, you have to count all the green X's because each one of them represents 1 day. So there are 14 green X's, so it represents 14 days. How many more days did Ruby run 6 miles than 5 miles? Well, she ran 6 miles for 3 days. She ran 5 miles for 2 days, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 day more would be your answer, 1 day. And 15, how many fewer days did Ruby run 1.25 miles than she ran 5 and 4, 1. Let me try that again. 5 1/4, then she ran 5 3/4. So again, we're going to look at 5 3/4 is 3 X's. 5 1/4 is 1 X. 3 minus 1, oh boy, is 2. So the answer would be 2 days. Now at the bottom, they give you 2 different graphs and they ask you which one is incorrect. So if you look, everything's the same up until the 5. Jaden has made 5 X's above the 5. And Brian has made 4 X's above the 5. So we have to consult our tally chart over here. And we see that he should have made 5 tally marks above the 5. So poor Brian's in the bush, just needs a little help. All right, so then we're going to look at Jaden's graph here. And number 17 actually says, suppose a student who is absent takes a makeup quiz and scores a 4. What would be done to add the student to the graph? Well, all you'd have to do for that is put another X in the 4 column. All right, guys, let me know how you did so I know whether we need to get some more practice in or you're ready. And here's a look at our answers for that page. And bonus Ziggy.